before anyone alleges there's a breach in protocol, I think what's important here is first to look at whether there was a protocol for a minor change, like a correction of a typographical error, and what the protocol is, where is it contained, and to determine if there is a breach and what the penalties are.
Do you think it's fair what Commissioner Guanzon and some people are saying that Smartmatic has had too much freedom in running the elections, that it's in connivance with some parties who may have not so pure intentions? Your comment on that?
I think first, before we make accusations, we look at the facts. So first, there would not have been a change if not for also a member of COMELEC putting in the password, because on the day that the typographical error was corrected, a COMELEC ITD officer was also present, and in fact it was the COMELEC officer that typed in the password in order for Smartmatic to make the change. But even in the elections from day one, Smartmatic has really observed all the rules of COMELEC. Kasi very clear naman yan eh. There's always guidelines, and there have always been rules kung ano yung follow in order to implement yung project. So it's really COMELEC that runs the show, not Smartmatic.
And then just to restate, Smartmatic is willing to participate in the investigation.
Yes, Smartmatic is willing to participate and cooperate in whatever investigation and whatever is necessary. What's really important here is one, transparency and credibility of the election.